guys, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I had done this piece and I've now got it in a floater frame, but this was the ice cave and someone had recommended to do it as fire and ice. Oh, I've tried a couple of times, not so hot, so I'm hoping this time will be a charm. Let's see. All right, so I had a request for the side design that I've been doing, but as a fire and ice. So I haven't had much luck with this, with the fire and ice in the past. I actually looked at tried to pick colors and looked at some pictures, and I don't know. We'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna do the side design around here and then around here. All right. Ooh, this paint is a little bit thinner, I can tell, because it's already bleeding through on the edges. But that's okay, you can always touch up your edges afterwards. That's why I normally paint mine. But it will be okay, right? No mistakes here. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the red, and the leaf blowers are going in the neighborhood, so you guys may hear that. I'm gonna go a little bit inward because I tend to blow it around that side anyway. And then I'm gonna come in with my orange. And so that red was pie roll red. This orange is cadmium orange, and this yellow is yellow deep hue, cadmium yellow deep hue, and I added some gold to it to make it kind of shimmery. But the lemon yellow sometimes for the fire just gets to be a little much. And then I am gonna add just the tiniest bit of white, just right through the yellow in the center. And then maybe one more go with the red just to kind of mingle it in. Okay, now on to the ice side. So I'm gonna start up here. The blue. Now I'm gonna go the sky blue. That was phthalo blue first. Then I'm gonna do my silver on top. It is so hot, sweat is pouring down my face in my garage. I was sweating into the paintings earlier. So, there we go. I think that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and blow this out and see how it does. I have a lot of paint on this side. I did not mean to have that much paint. I am extremely surprised at how absolutely gorgeous this is. Like, this is like mind-blowing to me, how beautiful this side is. warm colors scare me so much sometimes. What I actually don't like is this portion right up there. But wow, okay, I'm gonna blow right here. See if I could kind of mix those two in. I actually think I'm gonna turn the canvas so that I can get to this portion up here and fiddle with it while I'm on camera. Oh, I am like, whew, this is really, really nice. So yeah, I just missed a blow around this corner and around this corner. So I'm gonna see. I don't know if I like that or not. I don't know, we'll see. I kind of like it peeking in like that. Oh, I kind of like that too. You guys know me, I like to fiddle and draw with my fingers and my hand. Y'all, what? How is this so pretty? I love this. I really like over here how the two of them are kind of in both, how they're kind of encroaching. And I like this these pops of black through. I know I say I'm done and then I fiddle a bunch more, but I literally think I'm done. And this is probably the closest to fire and ice, or, well, not the ice part, but closest to fire that I've gotten. I love this. And this looks almost electrified through here, that yellow. I'm glad I added that little tiny bit of white. All right, I'm babbling. Let me show you. I cannot be happier. Look at this. That's that part I was talking about. It looks almost lit up. Look at that. I mean, this is I should stop talking. I'll just show you. Because I'm so excited, I'm just like babbling. All right, so I will show you the dried result. I can't wait, yay! Success! All right, I'll see you in a sec. I am literally in love. Dried amazing. Again, I really love that dark blue, that phthalo blue edition, but look at this side. I thought I would hate this side. Look at how beautiful that is. It dried just like it was when it was wet. I'm happy. I love it. I love the way that they curl into each other. I blew those out just a little bit more. Yeah, definitely love it. I think I'm gonna do, like I did the regular ice cave in this design, I think I'm gonna do just an inferno, all reds, yellows, and oranges. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.